Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review on the new Aussie Moist Miracle Curls line. This is the newest curls line from Aussie. I was prone to purchasing this because, if you guys don't know, but this is my OG ride or die, faithful, love this stuff, the 3-minute Miracle Moist. I am in love with this deep conditioner. I like the conditioner as well from the Aussie brand. So when I saw that they had one, this is for the Aussie Moist, this is for Aussie Curls. So when I saw that they came out with a co-wash, a deep conditioner, a cream pudding, and a leave-in detangler, I had to purchase all of these. These were only $4.99 a piece, which is pretty cheap for natural hair products or things that's geared towards curly hair. So I had to purchase this. I'm not going to ramble on for this video super long. I'm going to go ahead and start off by taking my hair down and starting by washing it. I'm so excited about this. I have my fingers crossed hoping that this stuff is bomb because it's cheap and Aussie's a good brand. I'm not really one to go into the ingredients to see what they have in it and all that. My whole thing is if it works for my hair, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's just what I go by. So if you want to see how my review on this new line, what's wrong with me? If you want to see my review on this new line, please keep watching.
I've been doing my own thing. Love has always had a way of having bad timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you. Cause you know my mind, I promise for this I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to. Yeah. If you thought I'd sleep on this, boy, you're wrong, cause all I dream about is our first kiss. And you're the first one to make me feel like this. And this is one opportunity that I can't miss. No, no. Why you wanna know the deal? You are wondering if the words I'm saying are real. Cause you got more appeal than any man in this whole world. And baby, I got to know how you feel. Yeah. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you. Cause you're mine and I promise you that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you. Cause you're mine and I promise you that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to. Sweetheart, now it's time I let you know. We don't wanna rush, we should take it slow. Boy, I can love you, can you help me grow? Give me a new beginning. Oh, my love, please tell me if you want it. I want you to, I wanna make it good to you, baby. So won't you tell me, tell me,
Alright, so I have applied all of the products in my hair and I must say that these curls are beyond popping. These curls are popping though, seriously, like y'all, this product really define my curls like no other product. My hair does not feel heavy. Hopefully it dries pretty quickly. I tried doing a little shingling to certain parts of my hair, but I didn't shingle my whole head, so I'm interested to see how this goes. I'm gonna let this air dry for about maybe an hour or two, and then I'm gonna try to dry it and then stretch it, and I may come back tonight after it's fully dry, or I may just show you guys tomorrow the finished look after I've like fluffed it and all that stuff. But so far
I've been doing my own thing. Love has always had a way of having bad timing. But to my great surprise.
Alright guys, this is what my hair looks like before I start picking and fluffing it out. My curls are like really super duper defined. My hair is a little wet here and there, so I'm gonna just take the blow dryer and kind of just, you know, just go over it a little bit to dry it up. And then I'm gonna take my pick and pick it out, and then I'll come back and show you guys my final review of the products. So my hair does have a crunch to it. I guess like a gel cast crunch, which I really don't mind, but I'm pretty sure it's from that cream gel, the cream gel, what do you call it? Cream pudding, cream, whatever. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hands just to break out the crunch and the gel cast. Alright guys, so this is about as good as my hair is going to get for first day hair, one day hair. I'm usually not a huge fan of first day hair, so I'm going to come back and probably show you guys, if I can remember, day 3, 4, or 5, like when my hair gets real bigger, that's when I like my hair more. But this is how my hair looks on day 1. My hair feels very moisturized. I have hold. I like these products. So let me go through this really quick. The co-wash is an Adrianne approved. It's a check for me. I like the co-wash a lot. It was super moisturizing. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. My hair did feel cleansed after it. I love the pump, the packaging of it. The smell of it is amazing. I have nothing bad to say about the co-wash. I will definitely be using this again and again and again and repurchasing this. So this is a yes for me. The deep conditioner was a yes for me as well. You guys know I'm a fan of the 3-minute deep conditioner, which I really like that one. Comparing the two, I still think I like the 3-minute a little bit better. This one was good. I just didn't like that it left like little bubbles, little beads on my hair. But after it like penetrated my hair shaft, the beads went away. So I really didn't like how it sat on top of my hair from the very beginning, but once it worked, the heat and all that stuff, and let it sit in my hair, it did go away. But this is a very good product too. I would recommend this one. This one is Adrianne MG approved. You get more. You get a 16 fluid ounce in this for $5 versus the other one. I'm not sure. I don't have the bottle with me, but that one's a lot smaller, and this one does come with a pump, so you know that's why I like this one as well. So yes, this is a this was a 3-minute. This was a 3-minute miracle. The other one's a 3-minute moist. So this one is for curls. The other one is just for moisture. So I think I might try combining the two next time and see how that goes. The Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk was okay for me. I could skip this, or I have better leave-in conditioners. So this one wasn't just like a, oh my gosh, I have to have it. I did, you know, buy it because it came with the line, but it wasn't the best leave-in conditioner that I have used before. So I may try it. It worked good together, all together. So it was good for a $20 co-wash day. So it was, you know, everything was $5. So the total co-wash day was $20. So I wouldn't. It's okay, you know, it's just okay. It wasn't like super duper moisturizing, but I will tell you this, that this little section right here, I did not put the leave-in in, and my hair feels a little bit more stiffer versus the other parts of my hair. So it did put moisture in my hair, but it didn't leave it super moisturized, if that makes sense. Like I like it, but I could do without it, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that. And the cream pudding, which is, to me, is like my daughter's waking up, which is like a cream gel to me. As you can see, this is about how much of the product that I did use. There's still a good bit left in here to use. I will be using this again. When my hair was wet, my curls were the most defined I've ever seen them before. I did shingle a little bit here and there. I have a little bit of frizz, but that's from me, you know, picking at my hair. So, but overall, my curls are defined. My wash and go looks great to me. My hair is shiny. My hair is soft. My hair has hold. There's nothing really bad I can say about this whole line. So, is this whole line Adrianne MG approved? Yes, it is. I would tell you guys to go out and buy it. Like I said earlier, I'm not really into the ingredients on it. I do know that this one is free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes, if anybody is, you know, cares about that. But that's what the cream pudding is. I'm not sure about the other products, but this one is, you know, listed on the front of what it is free of. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will try to insert a clip of my hair of day 3 and day 4 if I don't forget. So, but yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Now it's time I let you know. Don't wanna rush, we should take it slow.